So good morning, Doak cooks. Happy Memorial Day. I'm not doing a gosh darn thing. This isn't me. I mean, this is my stove, but this isn't me. This is somebody else. This is somebody else cooking. And it's gonna be delicious. All right, Doak cooks, like I said, this is Doak Eats. This is not me. This was my wildly talented partner in crime who has created a rather unhealthy, wildly delicious brunch for us in celebration of Memorial Day. So we are blessed for her. Thank you so much. Yay, yay. All right, well, I hope everyone has a wonderful, respectful, thoughtful, caring, possibly emotional, but with lots of love kind of day. If you are not working, enjoy your time off. If you are, hopefully you have a quick, speedy day of quickly turning into a hangout with your friends and family for this evening. So otherwise, I will see you guys next time.
I got a broken fit. I got a